Coldplay has been around for years and yet still growing in popularity. Yellow, of their first album of the year 2000, is still among their greatest hits. A lot of great artists cover their songs, and so did BTS. BTS is a South Korean K-pop group with more followers on Instagram than Coldplay. And they made a cover of Fix You, a great honor in my opinion. And this probably led to a collaboration named My Universe. This song only has a few chords, but it still managed to hold my attention from the beginning to the end. And it's nice to play in the guitar. You only have to use a few fingers to fret the strings, and the open strings will do the rest. So, take your acoustic or electric guitar on your lap and let's play the intro. The intro starts with the 2nd fret of the D string and the 2nd fret of the G string. And then we only strum the 4 highest strings. So, the D string, the G string, the B string and the E string. And we only have to strum this once. 1, 2. And then we slide it up to neck to the 6th fret. And we still have to strum the same strings. And then we slide it back to the 4th fret. So we've got this 2nd fret, 1, 2, 6th fret, 4th fret. And then we're going to repeat this. So 2nd fret, 6th fret, 4th fret. And then there's one chord in between, and that's the 1st fret of the D string and the 4th fret on the G string and the open B and open E string. If this is too hard, you can only strum those strings, so the 4th fret on the G string and the open B and E string. But this is nicer. And then you go back to the 1st chord, and that's the 2nd fret only. 2nd chord. So the 6th fret and the 4th fret. From the start up to this point, 2nd fret, 6th fret, 4th fret. And repeat, 2nd, 6th, 4th. And then we have to play from the 2nd fret, and then we have to slide it up to the 9th fret. But we have to use our index finger to fret the 7th fret of the thin E string. So 2nd fret to the 9th fret, and then we have to slide this back to the 4th fret and to the 2nd fret. So also with the index finger, and the B string is still open. So from the start up to this point, so the whole intro, 3, 4, 2nd fret. Chord in between. And then we slide to the 9th fret. And then you start to play the verse. And in the verse we use the same technique with the open strings, but we're going to add the bass note. And for the first chord it's the open A string. Then we have to pick the open A string once. Then we have to pick the fretted notes with a downstroke. And then we have to pick the open strings with an upstroke. Twice. So you get this. And it doesn't matter if you accidentally pick more strings, as long as it's one of those 5 strings. So the bass fretted up, up. Then you slide to the 6th fret, so the 2nd shape, but with the bass note, and the bass note is on the 4th fret of the A string. And the same pattern. And then we slide this shape back to the 2nd and the 4th frets. So we get this. And after you have to repeat this one. And then you have to play the fretted notes only, and then we have to add the chord in between. So after the repeat you get this. And then you have to repeat this one. And for the verse you have to play this 3 times. Now we're only going to play this 2 times in a row. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And as you can see, at the first shape I fret the strings with my ring finger and my pinky, so I only have to slide it up and add my index finger. And then we go to the chorus. The chorus has exactly the same chords as the intro and the verse, but the chorus has a strumming pattern. And it goes like this. So the first chord with the bass note, and it goes like this, down, up, down. And then we'll slide to the second chord with the 4th fret on the A string as a bass note, up, down, down, up, down, down. And those 2 chords together is 1 bar, so you get this, 3, 4 and down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. And then we go to the 3rd chord with the 2nd fret on the A string as the bass note. And then you play down, up, down, up, down. And the last downstroke is for the chord in between this chord and the first chord. So down, 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 up, down, down, and now we're going to loop this twice in a slower tempo. 3, 4 and down, up, down, up, down, down, and down, up, down, up, down, down, and down, up, down, up, down, down, and down, up, down, up, down, down. And in the chorus you have to play this 3 times. And after these 3 times there's one addition, and the addition goes like this. Down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down. So the same chords as in the intro. So from the first chord, down, up, down, and then we'll slide it up to the 9th fret and the 7th fret with the index finger and the open B string, no bass notes. And it goes like this, up, down, down, up, down, down. So down, up, down, up, down, down. And then we slide it back to the 4th fret and the 2nd fret with no bass notes. Down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. And then we have to play the chord that's in between this chord and the first chord with a downstroke. So down, up, down, up, down. The last part goes like this, 3, 4 and down, up, down, up, down, down, and down, up, down, up, down. Now we're going to play the intro, the verse and the chorus in a row. 3, 4 and... something from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in my next video.